Well, welcome to another My Two Good Hands video. We bought ourselves one of these really cheap code readers because we've got a check engine light on and we got a little stumble. We want to see what the computer says it is. We're thinking wires and plugs, but let's see what the computer thinks it is, all right? So stay tuned. You can see here's our check engine light right there. So we're going to hook up our code reader. Code reader is going to plug in right there. This is our 03 Dodge Ram pickup, the V10. So it looks like it started right up here. So let's push OK and see what happens on the diagnostics. Okay, looks like we've got one read codes. Okay. Generic current, number 7 cylinder misfire. So that's nice that it tells us the 7th cylinder. So that's cool. All right. How do we, okay, here we go back with the back button. Okay. We can go down here, and we know it's a 7-cylinder misfire, so we can erase codes. Are you sure you want to erase the codes? Yes, let's erase the codes. Please turn ignition on with engine off and press any key to continue. So we're going to turn the engine off, and we're going to be, now we're on, but we're not running, so we're going to push any key to continue. All right, it says it's been cleared. Now look at that. So the cheap coder worked. You can see engine light's gone. Now, doesn't mean we don't have the misfire. We're going to unplug the unit. Now we're going to put this in reverse. And we still got the little shake. So we know we got a number 7 cylinder misfire. We're going to get some plugs and some wires, and we're going to try that first. So hey, we're back in the garage. We got our wires and we have our spark plugs for our number 7 cylinder mis that you just saw. So we bought the top of the line plugs here, and the gap is to be 44 thousandths. So when you gap your plugs, want to make sure you've got a gauge here. You can see my gauge here. It's hard for you to focus on, but one of these says 44 thousandths, which is actually right. So it's right here. You can put this in there and see. That's right at about 44. Yep, that's right at, this one's right at 44. We checked that. So basically with a feeler gauge, you just come in. I don't know if you can. So when you gap your plugs, you can see what you do is you just come in here with the feeler gauge and figure out which one, and you come along and it's this middle one we want, and that's the one that it barely goes in. So that's our spark plug. So we know our spark plug's good. We bought this set of wires. We got these wires from Amazon, and what's really cool here is they're all numbered. Like this one says 9 on it, and this one says 7. So 7 is the one we want. So we're going to peel that one from the group. It comes with everything on it. There's a really nice set of wires. Everything's bonded real well. You can see they got this sealed up. I don't know if you can see that. And this goes on the coil box. This end, both ends have a number 7, or well, one end has a 7 on it, I guess. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our socket. We also have, they gave us a package, a dielectric grease. They gave us 2 of them, actually. So we'll use that, or then maybe they just gave us 1. But we'll use this when we do the rest of them. I also bought the dielectric grease, so I'm going to open this. Got this from Amazon. Going to open that up and see, make sure that's ready to go. And that is ready to go. So now I'm going to go get our socket wrench, and we'll get you out to the truck and we'll get started on it. But our plan is since we got to launch our boat soon, we're just doing number 7 today. So it's going to be real hard for you to see, but the odd ones are on this side. So it's 1, 3, 5, 7's way back here. And you get the wire off. I can bring the wire out here. We can keep bringing the wire out. Like again, we don't know if the wires are bad, but we can kind of work the wire out of here. There's part of the wire out. What we can do is go down here, get our fingers on the plug, and see if we can. We should be able to get the socket on there. See if we can get the socket on there and see what we need for extensions. It's way under the thing here. Well, welcome back. Hey, we got our problem fixed on our Dodge Ram number 7 cylinder misfire. You saw that on the little coder that I showed you. That was a low-end coder, but I mean, I think I paid 20 bucks for it. But here's the thing. We bought a whole set of wires and plugs and everything, and we're going to do them all, and we'll show you that in another video. But what we wanted to do was get it fixed for launching the 16,000-pound boat. We didn't want to have a misfire on a cylinder. What's interesting is went to work on it. First thing we did was take the plug wire off, and look what we found. That plug wire has been broke, and it was shorting out to the manifold. So we just replaced the wire for now. Thing runs like a top, so we're going to go launch a boat today and enjoy her. Actually, we did. I already launched the boat yesterday, but yeah, everything worked great, so it's fixed. But we will, once we get done and caught up with some other projects, we'll go put all the wires in and everything, and we'll get it all done with the dielectric grease and everything. We got the nice spark plugs. So catch you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to My Two Good Hands. Use the links below for shopping. Help support the channel, because I get a small commission as an Amazon associate. Thank you very much.